This is so cool, Bubba.
Oh my god. This is gonna be amazing on my YouTube video. This is gonna be amazing on my YouTube channel. It's
He's a
coming.
little loud. He's gonna toot his horn. That's a nice camera he's got, huh?
Highway control.
Here it comes. Thomas good on the other end, looks like.
Oh no, it's
And
gonna,
don't move, buddy, okay?
this is gonna be loud.
Stay right in front of me.
Now there's Thomas. Why are they pulling it backwards?
Because he's gonna come back this way. He's gonna pull it back, right?
I don't know why, but I feel like one train is trying to torture Thomas.
No, he's giving it a rest. He'll come back and he'll be pulling it back to the station, right?
Oh yeah.
Remember, this isn't a big track, so they don't have the roundhouse, right? So they go one way, they go up. Remember, they go up a little bit further, just out of sight, and they come back down.
Mhm.
Is that cool or what?
And there goes Thomas off into the shadow.